So here's our clamshell. Notice how quiet it is down here? If you go over that side, even quieter. Now it's time we went in the water. And like I say, the water is cool, at least when you first get in, because it's hot out here. You might even think this is cold, and you have to walk across some grass. You bet you grass and rocks. So it's not soft sand up there. Now it's soft sand. Little school of fish in there. You probably can't see it. Don't worry, we're going to go underwater in a minute. Here's Janet and Nicoletta. Brrr! It feels cold actually, like now. And if you push it again, underwater and look real quick at this school of fish. Another little school of fish. So, I don't know if I mentioned it, the beach we're at, this is rocky under the sand. And some of you might find it uncomfortable. And then we hit the sand, and this is pure sand. Like a little seaweed. We brought our own snorkeling gear, and we're going to try to snorkel around here. Like I say, there's just not going to be anything, or much, but I'll show you what there is. And also remember, when we were walking, I showed you probably better places to snorkel. Tender to ship is at 4 p.m. they said, and we're gonna get on it. It's 3:20 now and this place is empty. There's a few people left, but for the most part it's empty. They're playing music up in the Sea Breeze Grill, but we're gonna go get on a tender and get back to the ship. Let's see how long the line is. So we were here. No, here. We were there. Snorkeling is a misnomer on that. Snorkeling is terrible, but you saw that in the video. Apparently everybody else had the same idea, because that's the building with the zigzag line in it, you know, the stanchions and ropes, and this is the line coming out of it to get back on the ship, and it goes all the way to there. So it's 10 to 4. So that took about 35 minutes. These guys are glad we're leaving. Of course, if you got in line right now, it'd probably take 10 minutes. So out in the water there are stingrays. Which I guess you can walk around if you're daring.